Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Doctor Channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm John.
Hello, John, and hello to all our fantastic viewers. It's great to be here.
Hi, Alex. How are you today? I'm doing well, thank you. A little tired because I woke up early, but happy.
Tired? Sounds like a busy day. That's exactly our topic today, talking about your daily routine.
Step 1. Morning routine.
Let's start with the morning. John, what do you do first when you wake up?
I usually wake up at 6:30 a.m., brush my teeth, and wash my face.
I wake up at 7 a.m. After waking up, I make my bed and have breakfast.
Breakfast is very important. What do you usually eat?
Eggs and toast with tea. And you, John?
I like cereal with milk and some fruit. Healthy and quick.
Step 2. Getting ready.
After breakfast, I take a shower and get dressed for work.
I also get dressed. I work from home, so I usually wear casual clothes.
I go to the office, so I wear formal clothes.
Step 3. Going to work. Starting work.
How do you go to the office, Alex?
I take the bus. It takes about 30 minutes.
And when I start work, I check my emails first, then make a list of tasks for the day.
I do the same. It helps me stay organized and productive.
Step 4. Lunchtime.
When do you eat lunch?
I usually eat lunch at 1 p.m. I like rice and vegetables.
I eat lunch at 12:30 p.m. I prefer a sandwich or a salad.
After lunch, I take a short break and sometimes read a book or drink coffee.
I like a short walk to relax after lunch.
Step 5. Afternoon work.
After lunch, I continue working until 5 p.m.
Me too! And I try to finish my most important tasks first.
That's a good strategy.
Step 6. Exercise. Evening routine.
After work, I usually do a home workout for 30 minutes.
I go jogging for 30 minutes. Exercise is very important.
Definitely. It keeps us healthy and active.
Step 7. Dinner.
After exercise, I have dinner with my family.
I also have dinner around 7:30 p.m. I like to watch TV while eating.
I like talking with my family during dinner and sharing our day's experiences.
Step 8. Relaxing and going to bed.
After dinner, I relax, watch movies, or read a book.
Me too. Sometimes I listen to music before sleeping.
And what time do you go to bed?
Around 10:30 p.m. to wake up fresh the next morning.
I go to bed at 11 p.m.
Step 9. Review and practice.
Let's review. A daily routine includes 1. Waking up. 2. Brushing teeth and washing face. 3. Breakfast. 4. Getting dressed. 5. Going to work or starting work. 6. Lunch and short breaks. 7. Exercise. 8. Dinner. 9. Relaxing. 10. Going to bed.
Great! Now, listeners, let's do a little practice. Repeat after us. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 7:30 a.m. I go to work at 9 a.m. I exercise in the evening. I go to bed at 10:30 p.m.
Try writing your own daily routine in the comments below. It's fun and helpful.
If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends.